Mzansi Afrika molo mhlaba wonke jikelele lona ngukusasa lethu Majangaza uqo bolwakhe ndiselapha ezimangweni eNanda 4310 ndinyuke ngomgwaqo ke ngoku andehlanga kanje ndadlula kwamqonqo nathi ndenyuka xa ndifika nadibana nenye insizwa bathi
Grey Storm Ntombi Zimbuka ngedatha wasibona apha isigebengu sikhipha ushukela etiyeni
awu ayike nizwile ngazile ayiqale madoda sikhali njengoba benjilo nalo uqobo lwakho ukususela into Majangaza ndihleli apha no Grey Storm nimvile ezithutha mfethu kosixelele udume ngani
yabona I cannot say so I am that famous but locally I'm known for my music, mixing and mastering, blending kind of different genres, right?
Yeah.
So ngitabuka khona la eNanda nami. I'm a producer, sound engineer. Kuningi mfethu, kuningi, but as time goes vela abantu yabo ngizobavezela ukuthi yini ngiyipheka, yini ngihlanganisayo. But ngale kwaloko nje I'm just a musician.
A musician.
Yeah.
Can I just say kudala ndahlala apha eNanda iNanda ndikhulele kuyo ndizalele apha ndazalelwa apha eDurban umthetho wami ungandiva ndithi isiXhosa ucifa uba ndingwangapha ndazalelwa apha kusekhaya apha but lensizwa lena bengazange nayibone ndiqale umbona lo mjita noba 2 months ago ndihamba no Smart Black Mamponda saye studio ndandi like it was a lazy Sunday or Saturday. One you remember?
Yeah.
And do you remember what I said to you the day after? Can I just describe the feeling? There was probably like 3 or 4 people inside the studio, but this nigga was playing his music, ne? Energy yakhe, it felt like he was performing for 80,000 people, and it was just a few people, and I was so drawn to that energy. I was like, who is this? I literally ngambuza Smart Black after ngithi ubani lo mjita lona angijwayeleki energy engaka. Can you tell me, where do you get the stamina?
Originally, bro, you have to love what you do, yabo. You have to love what you do, because even in school, man, waqala like wangamthanda thisha we-maths uzoyifeyila ngisho. So once waqala wafaka uthando entweni oyithandayo oyenzayo, it becomes more alive than umcabanga ade unawo nje, yabo. So mina into ngifaka uthando entweni engiyenzayo, yabo, ngaso sonke isikhathi, and hleze kuphuma leyo outcome leyo kuyona ade ngifisa ukuthi ngiyithole, yabo. So you have to love what you do nje. Isipani sakho futhi usihloniphe, yabo, nabo abantu abenza isipani sakho sibonakale sibe naleyo weight igama bona yabo yazi ukuthi okay abahlonipha, because they back respect. Imagine abantu bekhipha imali bezobuka wena perform and stuff like that. That means a lot, but that means konto yenzayo right. That means you are going somewhere, yabo. You're not just like doing it as a hobby but for you it's business basically. Yeah.
And I should say that as an audience member, I just want to shake your hand and just say you make me feel happy to watch you. Like
likewise.
it felt I was so happy. I was like yo eyandivuyisa le chebo indlela ovuya ngayo mani. But yes, asikho lapho lo mjita njengoba echilwa, he is a musician, and from your research and Denzileyo, I know for a fact that you've already have a project that you released in 2024. Is that correct?
Yes. There's an EP titled Emasimini.
Right? Emasimini. Imasisixhosa esanye isiZulu.
I know. Emasimini isiZulu kahle.
Ay masingalwi. Emasimini isiZulu kanjani? Emasimini isixhosa foni.
Angithi kuyafana. Nathi sithi insimi. Yabo. So mase emasimini futhi sekuyinsimi eningi la setshenzwa khona yabo, kuhlawulwa kutshala uvuna ukutshalile yabo yonke leyo nto leyo. So mengithi emasimini is basically lapha mina ngangichaza ukuthi yona ndawo la sitshala khona. Mengithi emasimini la sitshala khona leso ivuna kusasa le ndlela esihambayo noma le ngiyihambayo kodwa angihambi ngedwa. That's why ngithi emasimini yabo, because kunabantu engihamba nabo engiqale nabo le ndlela yabo, yize noma singasaphelele abanye bengasekho yabo. But that's why I chose esihloko ukuthi emasimini, because I felt like ngaleso sikhathi iyona into eyisondelene nami, ispace yangikusona, the atmosphere engangikuyona ukuthi ngikhethe emasimini. Even nengoma ephakathi yabo ziyakutshela kabanzi ukuthi why ngithe emasimini yabo.
So it was an EP that you dropped in 2024.
Yes.
It is readily available on Spotify.
Yes, everywhere, not just Spotify, everywhere. You can even Shazam it if you want. Amazon, Tidal, Deezer, every digital platform to be
Apple
exact.
Music, everything on.
Yeah, Apple Music everywhere, abo. So and right now in this push out there's a project things we keep.
Wait. I don't wanna jump. People should know the roots, right?
Yeah.
Now you're getting excited. There is a new project that is coming this year, but we're not there yet. Ngifuna ukunziswa usweet. You know me. Bangibeza uqhasha snacks ke lokishini snacks uphatha snacks abamnandi yezwa ngizonzisa now ma snacks ingoma eyodwa from the EP that was dropped last year before we start discussing a new project yivapha.
I was speaking the sauce.
Angicela sibongele le drip
It's us.
isilamba nengazi angicela sibongele nebhadi awunoma sibangene ngebhadi angicela sibongele le drip
It's us.
isilamba nengazi ngicela sibongele nebhadi noma sibangene ngebhadi
uyibona le drip nje iphuma empompini bakhala ngedrip uma ngiposta uyibona nje manje yesikweta nazi nenkabi zingitesta wezi ngitshela ngeswekudelela nazi nenkabi zingitesta wezi ngitshela ngeswekudelela izolo bengakhona uku-afoda zonke lengane zingishaya ngosini namhlanje ngiyakhona uku-afoda zonke lengane zingidropela upini izolo bengakhona uku-afoda zonke lengane zingishaya ngosini namhlanje ngiyakhona uku-afoda zonke lengane zingidropela
angicela
upini
sibongele le drip isilamba nengazi angicela sibongele nebhadi awunoma sibangene ngebhadi angicela sibongele le drip isilamba nengazi ngicela sibongele nebhadi noma sibangene ngebhadi ngicela sibongele le khombo buka ishet lami alidinge nkinobo drip yami iconsa nesobho bathi ngizodinga isikorobo buka itrip imini uthotho bathi nginxusa le omo kule ndima yimi isilomo ngimi phezu kwayo ngangibiza ngojomo kule nkundla yimi isikhokho bukele emhlane ngino-10 wenombolo ntanake ibopha iphondo lalela ushuni amarodo bathi drip yami iflavor kakhokho yenza ingwenya zingifune ngafofo uma ngibona ubothi molo yokuphi isithombe ne-otho angicela sibongele le drip isilamba nengazi angicela sibongele nebhadi awunoma sibangene ngebhadi angicela sibongele le drip isilamba nengazi ngicela sibongele nebhadi noma sibangene ngebhadi
Wow. So that was a snippet. Not even a snippet, that was a full song. So that was Udanki Drip. Cardio was the feature. Grey Storm was the main artist. Ucardio is another member of that movement. His interview is coming right up. Please stay tuned. Now let's focus on the main man here. Now, if people want to go check out the album, if people want to go interact with you, they want to connect with you, can you just list us your social networks or your social platforms that they can find you on?
It's Grey Storm RSA on TikTok, Grey Storm RSA on Instagram. Right before the RSA, there's like
an underscore.
Yes, sir. There's an underscore, and I'm just using my actual name on Facebook for now, which is Philani Nkabinde.
Philani Nkabinde on Facebook.
On Facebook.
So it's Grey Storm. It's Grey Storm underscore RSA on all other social media platforms. However, on Facebook it is
Philani Nkabinde on Facebook.
Philani Nkabinde. All right, now we've discussed about past projects. I want to get into the present now. Ngizwile ngamahemhem ukuthi kukhona something. Ngikubonile uqeqela nobune excitement. So ufuna ungena kule enje. Asingeneke Nkabi yami. Tell us Dadela is vuliwe ndonga.
Well, yeah, I'm working on an album right for 2025, which is the main project that I'm gonna work 2025. Uhambi Kamalayo.
Uhambo.
Yes,
So
uhambo.
ngumxhosa siphinde nibuze the same question. Sisizulu kanye sisixhosa.
I know, mfethu, ngathini uhambo ayisixhosa.
Uhambo.
Phela kuyangena lapho nalapho kwamanye ama language yabo.
Umnye uZulu noXhosa. Niyayazi lona uba ngumzumnye lo.
However, kulonyaka I think ifocus yonke fanele nje nami neteam yami ibheke kuyona. Ngengisho okuningi kona kukhulu esifuna ukukwenza but ngicabanga ngizoshintsha into eziningi le project because ifake nabantu abaningi bakhona la eNanda bengifuna ukusebenza nabantu bangaphandle.
Are you able, sorry ngincese ngokukhatha.
No problem.
Are you able to mention ama features esingawa expecta obana bakhona no producer sebenze nabo nje just to create a bit of excitement?
Go producer ngiphethe uTafako lapha inja yami Peace Boy Fako aphinda abe khona futhi kuma artist baningi futhi khona PJ khona
PJ Noah.
Yes, PJ Noah,
J Madness
kanobhalane. I have Smart Black Mampondo.
Smart Black Mampondo
baningi phela nenkosi ayiqeda la engaqeda nama artist ala
yabo. So amkade ngiphethe ithawu like drip awungeke.
So kona nje ngicabanga ukuthi ngihlanganisile impela ama artist engibonayo ukuthi akule movement nami ebengithi ngifuna ukuyisungula kanti isikhona bengingakabi nalolwazi ukuthi isikhona. So ngithe sengithola ngathi okay, let's just unite and sibone senze njani la ngempela kwahlangana ke yabo. So nje maduzane nje ezophuma ngeke ngikwazi ukusho date kodwa maduzane yona.
Release date to be, it's TBC.
Yes.
To be communicated.
Yes amaduzane. So kukhulu esizokwenza kukhulu mhlawumbe meme ngaputshuza kancane nje mhlawumbe sifuna ukwenza na ne radio tour yabonyana yabo but cathi yaphela la. Okay. It's
still early days basically.
Yes.
Can you, if I just want to just to create an expectation from the audience, if you had to describe your sound, if you had to categorize, if I was to go on Spotify, okay, first of all, I always mention Spotify. This is not sponsored content. It's a domain that I use mostly. But if someone wants to go on these digital platforms and try to find you on playlists, right, where would you categorize yourself? How would you describe your sound? Like if I wanted to find you on a playlist, would you say it's hip hop, it is rap, it is Afro pop? Like what is it?
Okay, that's a tricky one, right? But however, if I were to describe it, me mainly as an artist or as a musician, I mainly do hip hop, right? So and then we
hip hop, boom bap, rap.
No, hip hop rap.
Hip hop rap.
Yes. Then in the like the long run, I journey. I met a lot of artists, to be exact, taught me isn't ning, right? So now in terms of production, I'm more focused on hip hop rap, Afro pop, and I'm a piano, right?
I'm a piano.
Yes.
Oh, this nigga jumping the waviness. Yeah. Understand.
So I'm still trying to have a way. You could see how am I gonna go on about now yonke lento le, right? Not ukuthi mhlawumbe ngithi mina kanjani no, I'm producing lezo zinto mhlawumbe in the near future ngizoyicula. I don't know.
You did mention that you are a producer.
I'm a producer, sound engineer.
Sound engineer.
Yes. But nje athi focus ilapho nje okwamanje ukuthi okay nami ngiyayipush ngedwa yabo. Ana grow nabantu vele abanye ngiqale nabo. Yize abanye sobathola endleleni yabo, but nje nami for my own people, yabo. I have to do it for my own people, bro. Yes, I have to. So ilele lapho nje manje there's something coming uhambo the journey. Yabo ngeke ngisho ukuthi ingoma engaki ziningi zona. Kodwa stay tuned for that.
All right, that's the end of our interview. Ndiyabulela mfethu ngonika ithuba ubandithethe nawe. Indlela zokuxhumana naye zifakiwe. Imibuzo siyibuzile, ninga interacta nathi, ningalibala ukulike, ningalibala ucomment, ningalibala usubscribe, ningalibala umyalezo enihlale ndushumayela mini nezolo. Silapha nje kungenceba yamdali. Soze nilibale lena nasoze ndayiyeka futhi. Osikundizonda ubuyanizonda, mina ndiyathandaza, mina ndiyaguqa. Masiguqeni sonke bafethu sithandaze sibulela uThixo basinikele ithuba. Aba bantu banetalente likhono elo abazidalanga. Umuntu akavele avuke nje enza ingoma isuka ngaphakathi, ungayivumela nditshoyo.
Yes isuka ngaphakathi. Isuka phakathi ingoma hlahle zokutshela inye iqiniso mina beke bentshele lona. Hlezi icabaya thina ingoma bese. Ngithothi nje ngenza le interview ngicabanga ingoma. Awazi.
Isuka ebuzo wami ba isuka phi?
Ngiyobhala ngayo le interview awazi. Yabo so yeah.
Uyayibona ke it's a gift. It's a gift. All these I'm trying to show the main purpose of having these interviews is I'm trying to shine light on a very dim lit environment because Inanda receives a very bad reputation. I hope I grant you or I give you a little bit of clarity to say there is gold, there is diamonds. Come and invest. Come, these boys are independent and they will always be independent, right? But you can enter into agreements with record labels as an entity with another entity. So don't try and think that you come and take advantage of these boys. You will not. These are men. Isenanda la bathi kamjombi igazi kodwa singeni leyo. Uyezwa ke. Lona nkuso selethu majangaza uqo bolwakhe.
Wangela lokula kwasiza kwajabula baningi. Ungibona senginjenga ngisemasimini. Ngiyopanda ngiyozamela ipotole zakithi ungibona senginjenga ngisemasimini wangala lokula kwasiza kwajabula baningi